Idioms and phrases. 1. Act on or upon. Do as guided, to follow somebody's advice or suggestion. He never acts upon my advice. 2. Ask for, demand for something, request for. I asked for help from my parents. 3. Agree with, having the same opinion as somebody else. She did not agree with me on this topic. 4. Break down, fail. Their marriage broke down within 6 months only. 5. Break into, enter by force. The thieves broke into my house last night. 6. Blow up, explode. The terrorists have blown up the bridge. 7. Break out, spread. Communicable diseases have broken out in this city after the flood. 8. Bring up, take care, nurture. Prophet Muhammad was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. 9. Bring about, cause to happen. I want to bring about a change in my students. 10. Call in, send for. The baby was serious, so we called in a doctor at once. 11. Call off, suspend or abandon. The laborers called off the strike. 12. Call up, to ring, telephone. Call up the electrician to repair the fan. 13. Call upon, announce, ask. The state secretary called upon me to deliver a speech on Bhagat Singh. 14. Carry out, execute, to put into action. I shall willingly carry out your order. 15. Come across, meet, to see by chance. I came across an old friend of mine in the bank. 16. Come out, appear, be known. Ultimately, the truth has come out. 17. Cut down, to reduce. The government could not cut down its wasteful expenditure. 18. Draw near, come close, approach. Get ready to visit any hill station as the summer vacations are drawing near. 19. Draw back, go back, retreat. Having seen the police, the protesters drew back. 20. Fall flat, have no effect. My advice fell flat on his ears. 21. Fall out, quarrel. I had a fallout with my neighbor over parking my car. 22. Fall through, fail. Due to lack of proper infrastructure, his project fell through. 23. Get off, descend from, come off a vehicle. He got off at Agra Cant and hired a taxi to go to the Taj Mahal. 24. Get on, to progress. I am getting on very well in this new business. 25. Get round, persuade. At last I got round him to accept my advice. 26. Get at, to imply. What exactly are you getting at by saying so? 27. Get over, to overcome, to control a difficult situation. Once he got over his lack of confidence, he played a superb inning. 28. Get through, pass the examinations, to endure a difficult situation. How I got through those sad moments can't be described in words. He has got through his examination with flying colors. 29. Give in, to admit defeat, surrender, yield. He gave in timidly. 30. Give over, hand over. Finally, he gave over the charge to his junior. 31. Give up, stop doing something. The doctor advised him and he ultimately gave up drinking forever. 32. Get at the bottom of, know the truth, reach up to the last point. The jury is trying to get at the bottom of this mysterious case. 33. Give ear to, listen attentively. Students should give ear to their principal and teachers. 34. Good for nothing, useless, of no use. I can't trust him anymore. He is a good for nothing fellow. 35. Hale and hearty, absolutely fit, healthy. We are hale and hearty and wish you to be so. 36. Hold back, keep oneself from speaking or taking action. If you want to recover quickly, Don't hold back anything from your doctor. 37. Hope against hope. Have hope in unfavorable situations. I am hoping against hope that this dispute will be resolved amicably. 38. Hold on, to wait. Please hold on, he is just coming to talk to you. 39. Knock down, to be hit by a vehicle. The speeding car knocked down an old man. 40. Keep away, remain absent. Why is your son keeping away from school?